The Legion Destroyer Squad. The origins of the Destroyer Squads lay in the unification wars of Terra, but perhaps, surprisingly, not with the forces of the Emperor, but his enemies. Considered dishonourable by some legions, who make little use of them or eschew them altogether, the Destroyers are equipped with and expert in the use of otherwise prescribed and forbidden weaponry. Alongside certain factions of the Mechanicum, only Destroyer cadres have license to use such forbidden devices. Rad weapons, bioalchem munitions, and the cruel-burning horror of phosphex are among their dark arsenal. Weapons which irrevocably taint the ground on which they are used. During the long nightmare of the Age of Strife, such weapons rendered many once life-sustaining colonies uninhabitable charnel houses of the dead. Marked by their fire-blackened and chem-scalded armour, Space Marine destroyers are often shunned and deemed somehow tainted by their battle brothers in many legions, and considered at best a necessary evil. Although the effectiveness of their relic weapons cannot be denied.